In a major embarrassment for the Badal government, Sikh farmers from Kutch have called Narendra Modi's bluff. In his Jagrao rally, Modi had claimed that no land will be snatched away from non-Gujarati farmers, but these farmers now claim that their accounts remain frozen despite Modi's promises. Opposition now questions the Badal government on why he failed to force Modi to act on his promises.
खेती के काम में लगा हुआ मेरा कोई भी सिख भाई उसको कभी भी गुजरात छोड़ने की नौबत नहीं आएगी.
Narendra Modi claiming that no farmer from Punjab will be evicted during his Jagrao rally in Punjab. But now, farmers from the Kutch region are calling Modi's bluff, alleging that every attempt is being made to snatch their land away from them.
हाई कोर्ट का जो फैसला हो चुका है, हाई कोर्ट ने भी उसको स्टे नहीं दिया, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में स्टे नहीं दिया, लेकिन वो इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं कर रहे.
The opposition using the opportunity to attack the Badal government for their support to the BJP.
Modi is telling white lies. The High Court of Gujarat had decided in the favor of the farmers. Still, Modi has gone to the Supreme Court and he wants to reverse that decision of the High Court.
Mr. Prakash Singh Badal had said it, took it upon himself. I think he said it in the house or maybe outside, that I will never allow anybody to go. I will talk to Modi and all. Now he says none of my business is Modi's business. So this fellow plays double speak in any case, Mr. Badal.
Modi's tall promises turning into an embarrassment for the Badal government that has gone on the defensive.
The situation is that not a single farmer has been or is being dislocated. There was some minor problem by some unruly elements among the locals there. The government of Gujarat acted firmly against that.
But the opposition is asking why the Badal government could not force Modi to act.
When Narendra Modi addressed his rally in Ludhiana, he had very emphatically said that no Sikh farmer would be forced out of Gujarat. But with these Kutch farmers calling Modi's bluff, Punjab government finds itself in an embarrassing situation. More so because the Lok Sabha election is just weeks away. With video journalist Yash in Chandigarh, Shamsher Kant for Times Now.